All right, so here we are in day number 3 of our distance learning. And it says that we're going to do something here about what are robots used for. So here's a link to the robot assignment. Your task is to read the introduction. It talks about the history of robots, where they are first used, and some of the more modern uses of robots. But here's the procedure. It says each student, that's you, are going to present to me information about the use of a robot you selected for the assignment. So again, you're going to go out and pick a robot. It could be a medical robot, it could be a military robot, it could be a service robot. So spend about 8, 10, 13 minutes is kind of looking for robot of your choice. Let's say I want to look for a more of a medical robot, some type of medical robot. Spelling counts, R-O-B-O-T-S. And I could just search, like maybe by image. There's a whole bunch of medical robots, some that must do like surgeries. So I can pick one that I want. And then if I want to go to the actual website of it and then read about it. So here's that robot. Oops, get out of there. I'm going to read about this robot and learn about it, and then come back, here it is. And so I need to have 2 days, all right, 2 days, good, to prepare a 10+ page Google slide presentation that includes the following information. So basically here is slide 1 of your slideshow. You're going to answer what task does the robot perform. That is, what human function or job does the robot simulate. So what you can do is just create a Google slide and pick the background of your choice. I'll leave mine kind of, I suppose, blank for now. It's going to get this here moving quicker. And then where it says to click to add title, watch this here. This is what I would suggest doing. I would say take this question. I'm going to copy that question, jump here, and I'm going to paste it right there. But can you read it? I can't read my words. Right, because it's a dark background on dark text. If I highlight my text, make my text bigger and easier to see, I should be okay having that the text work, right? Or pick a different background. There it is. All right, here's my question. I want to answer this in the slide. And I'll suggest too is include pictures. Because right now, if I said I'm doing a medical robot, that might confuse somebody. But having this picture in the slide makes it way easier. So I probably would just save the image or copy the image and then get that image into your slide somehow. That way, people that do watch this, me, have an idea, hey, it's the robot. This is what I'm making. Here it is. Okay? So I would say copy the question, research, find the answer, come back, answer the question, and then move on to the next question. Okay? So slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, leave it blank for now, it says. Because right now we can't really do slide 10 because we're all distance learning. When you come back to school, it says you're going to have one of your classmates look over your slideshow, and they're going to answer these final 2 questions. So yes, you build a 10+ slideshow, but you do the first 9, leave 10 blank. Okay? Questions, this is the little up top corner of your screen in Schoology, that little envelope, send me a message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, hey, good luck.